probably the most famous Indian food you've ever heard of is chicken butter chicken. And you might be right, it's a famous North Indian food from Punjab region. It is loved all over the world. And honestly, I've never really had it. I've never really had a good butter chicken in my life, so what better place to try it than here in Mumbai? So here in Bandra West, where we stayed, there's a little restaurant called Butter Chicken Factory. And apparently this is one of the best highly rated butter chicken places here in Mumbai, so should be a good crack. Here it is, Butter Chicken Factory. And for today we're joined by J Max Lee and Native Thai one more time.
Native Thai, what's up guys?
We're gonna have a little bit of Butter Chicken Factory here in Bandra West. It should be good. Have you had a lot of experience with Indian food?
I've had South Indian food.
Yeah, so this is a North Indian like classic butter chicken.
Yeah.
Ever since he mentioned to me yesterday, I've been like thinking about eating it. So maybe we'll have a good time.
Yeah,
see
it's
how
gonna
we
be
go.
tasty. Let's try it out.
Let's go.
Let's get the butter chicken.
But yeah, I haven't had much Indian food in my life, so this should be something. All right, that's good. We've got air conditioning. That's always a good sign. Excuse me, sir. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
How big is the butter chicken? How big if you buy the 420 rupee one?
Sir, for 2 people.
2 people. Yeah, I think we can split that.
Split two.
So we get one butter chicken boneless,
Yeah.
one basmati rice,
Yeah.
It's a
one naan bread.
It's not butter naan, garlic naan.
It's the basic one.
Oh, garlic naan.
Plain.
Garlic is best.
Okay.
Yeah, garlic naan.
Two.
Two garlic
Oh no,
naan.
one garlic naan, one plain naan.
Yeah, like
One
that.
garlic naan, one plain naan, one steamed rice, one butter chicken boneless.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sounds good. Perfect. So that's our food for today. That should be enough some North Indian food to last us through the day.
Oh, they put the lime maybe?
That is a weird taste. I'm happy I brought my water bottle, so I don't know. But there's a bit of a weird taste of the water. There might be some lime on it.
Yeah, what do you, should I give it a go?
Just get a little sip.
I think it's fine. I think this is
But
not
you think-
plain water.
All right, a little bit of
in a bucket. It's been sitting in a bucket.
a little bit of a context, right? Yesterday he bought the ginger juice
Oh yeah.
from the next to the train station in Andheri, and it turns out 1,000, like all the people drink from the same glass.
Yeah.
So I'm
Without the wash.
yeah, but this is street food, but we're in an actual restaurant, so it's probably not the case. But it's
I reckon it's probably safe, I would say.
when you're thinking about stuff like that, you know, it just hits your brain. Like it should be fine. We should be fine.
It does okay. That was okay.
Yeah.
No problem with me.
Welcome drink iced tea, lemon iced tea.
Welcome drink lemon iced tea. Is this a classic Indian iced tea?
Indian iced tea. Yeah.
Okay,
Try it.
cool, man.
And
Just lemon? Let's give it a go.
lemon, sugar syrup. You try it.
Thank you,
Shukriya.
brother.
That's incredible, brother.
Shukriya, Bhaiya.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
brother.
Yeah. Pinkies up.
I'm pretty sure that's Lipton iced tea.
I'm happy. This
That's
is
Lipton
enough
iced
for
tea.
me.
But it says it's like it's Lipton iced tea. But it's
It's pretty good, honestly.
Little more than
Nice and,
that.
nice and refreshing.
Lipton iced tea. A little bit of welcome drink for Mr. Our boy here. Oh, he's got a fruit coming actually. Let's make some space. Oh, here we are. What's your name, bro?
Sujit.
Sujit. Are you from Mumbai, Sujit?
I'm from
Nice, bro. Nice. All right, that's the naan bread, garlic
This is
naan.
garlic naan, this is plain naan.
Cool.
Garlic
Steamed
is
rice.
best.
Basmati rice.
Maybe we should
Butter
order one
chicken
more.
boneless.
Maybe one more rice.
One more rice.
I have this.
And
Thanks,
we've got-
brother.
No worries, man. Here we are. First Indian meal in Mumbai.
This looks delicious, eh?
Honestly, we've been here eating a lot of fast food the last 2 days, so we've got the first Indian meal today. There we go. That looks bomb. It smells incredible, honestly. Oh, thank you, sir. Thanks for putting that into my. There we go. And put a little bit of basmati rice, huh? Table service. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
There we go. So this is a North Indian food,
This is
like Punjabi food, yeah.
Order India.
Are you from Punjab? Are you from Punjab or
Like I'm from Bihar.
Bihar? Is that in north?
Nihao?
Bihar,
Bihar. Okay.
Indian.
Yeah, right. Well, thanks for that, man. He's kindly
Oh, you do
put,
first.
put all the foods in the plate. Spoonful of buttered chicken with a little bit of rice. The basmati. Oh my god, that's incredible. That tastes proper. On the flight here in Etihad, they actually serve buttered chicken, but you can't even compare the taste of the two. Like a little bit spicy. I can't really describe it too much because I'm not a food expert, but the basmati is good. That's good, eh?
Really? Hot? No, nothing. It's not hot. It's
Just enough.
You eat it with the rice, yeah?
That's good.
it's crazy tasty.
What do you think, boys?
I'm gonna get my first test.
First what?
Jesus Christ.
So what, you totally mix it in with the naan? The butter chicken and the rice?
Perfect. Oh, there's the second serving of rice. Just put it here. Yep. Thank you, bro.
Wow.
You can taste the charcoal on the naan.
Oh, that's awesome.
Fire.
Thank you, bro. All right. I want to try this garlic naan as well. Let me take a little bite, little piece.
I will come back here one day.
This is ridiculous. I mean, it smells good already. Are we meant to dip it in the?
Yeah, you totally dip it in, bro. That's how you're supposed to eat it. You eat with your hands, too.
Oh Jesus, the bread is crazy.
Wow.
The bread is incredible.
The charcoal, huh?
Okay.
Fresh off the grill. Wow.
It's crazy.
Yeah, this is probably my first actual Indian food, like in a restaurant ever. How do you feel, sir?
Crazy much happy.
So is this the best butter chicken you've ever had in your life?
Yeah. I tried more than 20 times from the Australia, but that was the cheapest food from my ex hometown from around Sydney. This is crazy. I think that butter chicken for the Western style.
Oh, this is called Butter Chicken Factory, bro.
Yeah, I fall in love with this job.
It's good. It's
Yeah,
good. Just demolished that real fast, didn't we?
I almost cry.
And apparently you're meant to mix it all in one, like just scoop it all in the naan bread and pop it all in your mouth. That's crazy. Jesus. That's really good, bro. So this is finger water for washing hands, right? So with Indian food, like obviously you're meant to eat it with your hands. So they give you lukewarm water, a bit of lemon on it, and you get to wash your hands. So you're not like dripping wet when you roll off the Indian joint.
What's this, like a kiwi or a lemon in there?
Oh, that smells incredible. It's like lemon lime water, like lukewarm water. So there we go, all set. And the napkins are coming. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Perfect. With my limited experience of Indian food, I would rate that like a solid 9 out of 10. But we're obviously going to try more while we're here, but we're going to wash it all down with a welcome complimentary lemon iced tea.
Really happy to.
Brother, is this like chain? Like many butter chicken factory or only one?
I have this is Bandra and a plate.
Oh, this is not franchise. Just you have two shop. Yeah.
Oh, you own the shop. You own the shop.
Yes, this shop.
Like you're the owner. You own the shop.
This is Punjabi.
Two Punjabis.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. There we go. Two Punjabi brothers. They own the shop, and they have 2 locations in Mumbai. Number one, chicken in Mumbai, but this is the first time we've ever had, so we can't really make that claim, no?
But this is I think it's a high quality.
It is.
Yeah.
It's very like cleanliness, clean environment.
Yeah. And that's always important, especially in countries like India where cleanliness is not very common, for lack of better words. So yeah. So,
Oh, snack.
wait, what? Like a snack?
How much?
Wait,
do
you said it was soap, no?
Good, good. Like candy.
Sweet.
Oh, okay.
It's for stomach.
Yes.
It's for your stomach.
No, no, it's like a.
Oh, it's like a
dessert.
crouton.
Dessert.
It's like a crouton, like a sweet crouton.
Oh, to get rid of like the garlic
Taste.
taste.
Clean them out. You really like set everything up. Like 50 US.
See what he
All right,
says.
so the grand total is 1,027 rupees. So that's about an equivalent of, let's do the
Like
quick
roll
math
money on the
right
side,
now.
like
1027. So I think we're looking at about, for the whole meal that we had, it is $12 US for a feed that feeds 3 people. Very lovely service. I'd say that's pretty good. That's not even one dish in America, so, or anywhere in the Western world. So there we go. All done. So the bill came up to be about $12, as I said, but all done. Thank you so much, sir. See you later. Thank you. Back out on the streets. And that ends our little butter chicken video today. First experience of butter chicken here in Mumbai. 5 stars. Hello, sir. Namaste. Do you sell the chai? Do you sell the chai, bro? How much? How many rupee? 5 rupee. Is that fresh chai? Yeah. Okay. Can I have a one chai? 5 rupees. Okay, I'll give you 5 rupees, bro. There we go. Can I take 2?
You want coffee and a chai? No, I'm good.
There we go. So what time do you start working? What time do you come here?
I like it.
9 a.m. What time do you come here?
8 a.m. 7.
8,
Your morning 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Yes.
And what time you go home?
Tonight in 9 p.m. 9 p.m.
So you're here from 6 a.m. till 9 p.m.
Ah,
Oh my God. Where's my chai?
there.
I will take chai, bro. Let me try. Is this a famous traditional Indian drink? Yeah. Let me try this.
Tasty, expensive taste. Which country?
Philippines. Oh, that's incredible.
Good, yeah.
That's incredible, bro. Tastes like It tastes like a Starbucks.
19 baht.
Philippines, boy. Philippines. Country? What's your Mumbai?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra? Marathi? Marathi.
Trying the bag. Maharashtra.
Yeah, this is real good. It's like a little bit spicy taste though, eh? Spicy chai. But it's real good. Good for the morning. And it's 5 baht. I mean 5 rupees, so it's very cheap. Very cheap. Right here in the middle of the street. Traditional Indian drink. This is where the Starbucks chai latte comes from. The original chai. The original chai all over the world. Right here in India. Brother, good chai. Cheers. Cheers, brother.
Brother, cheers.
Where are you from? From Maharati?
UP Allahabad.
Where is this, sorry?
UP
UK?
Uttar Pradesh.
Oh, Uttar Pradesh.
Ji.
Oh, okay. Here we go. And that's a spicy chai right here in the streets of Mumbai.